All right, guys. Okay, so we're going to go over some stuff really quickly. We're going to pull up our Bitcoin chart. We're going to go on the high time frame. Just ignore these lines for now. I'm going to show you the importance of them here in a second. So we're looking at the weekly. If you remember from my last weekly plan video, I think it was 2 videos ago, we were talking about a reaction off the weekly 200 EMA, this black line. You know, there's obvious importance. You know, I went over it there. You can go look at it if you want to know more importance about it. We're looking off a reaction between the weekly 200 EMA, that's sitting at 24.3K, and we were looking at a reaction between that and the daily 200 EMA, which at the time was sitting around 25.2K. So, you know, there's about a $900 price movement. So it really came close. It really went about halfway. You know, it went down to 24.8. It went about halfway in between. You know, it's beautiful. You know, you go look back at it, and it's perfect reaction. It's all we wanted. We didn't want anything lower than that if we were going to actually get a validation for a higher move up. All right, and before I get too far into this, guys, you know, I do post some trades on Twitter for free. I like doing things for free. I really do. But, you know, I do have a VIP group. I don't shill. I don't really promote it too often. You know, if people want to join it, they're very cool to do so. I'll leave that in the description. I'll leave that in the description below. You know, it just comes with my more convicted, you know, I monitored the trades, yada, yada, yada. But yeah, also, BingX, if you use my partner link in the description below, they're giving out free USDT vouchers depending on how much volume you use and how much you trade and deposit into the platform, yada, yada. You know, up to $3,000 in incentives, though. So it's pretty good exchange, the lowest fees out there. But anyways, guys, enough shilling. Here we go. Okay, so now what are we looking at? On the weekly time frame, it's taken all the liquidity, guys. All this liquidity, okay? Now, from a chart structure point of view, you know, I do not doubt us taking this block here. You see where we got this nice strong move up. See all these wicks at 29.8K. You know, we know that's a level of importance here. You can even look on the daily, 29.8K. All these wicks, that's where we just rejected and sent down to 25K, okay? We know it's a level of importance. So there must be a decent amount of stops there, stop losses, you know, invalidations. I'm not against them taking all of that. You know, I don't think it would be, you know, out of the ordinary if they run this level back, you know, 29.3K, okay? But if they did that, you know, I was looking for that yesterday on Twitter, you know, if you follow me there enough. I was looking for that move, but I was invalidated pretty quickly last night. So, you know, I don't think that's out of the ordinary if they take that level. I don't think there's anything wrong with it. You know, 30K is such a huge level, and, you know, people are bullish now. FOMO, fear of missing out, you know, might as well sweep some losses. You know, it might not, but if it were to take this 29.3K level, I mean, it should be bought up immediately. It should be down below it for a hair and then right back above it, okay? Then once you get that reclaim, you get a strong push back above 30K. You can look for a nice move up. Easy invalidation at 29.3. I mean, it'd be perfect, right? So, you know, that's one plan I'm looking at. You know, there's no reason to, you know, look for any, like, it to move lower unless we start rejecting against 29.8K. It's the only reason to look for lower. But if you look here on the weekly, you know, this 32K level, it's really strong, man. It's nothing to it's nothing to overlook and get, you know, trapped up here. You know, somehow we get trapped. You never know what happens. Get an ETF rejection. I don't think that happens, but you never know. So all these wicks and these closes, we have a double bottom here, you know. It's a very strong level. You know, it's going to be hard to overtake it, you know. It should be, at least. So, you know, you need to keep that in the back of your mind. You know, if I were to long anything, I would like to long 29.8K. Okay, and I'd like to see a nice reaction off that level. But, man, yeah, guys, that's all I really got for you right now. I appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed it, like the video, subscribe. I'm going to try to do this more often. So have a good day, guys.